Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to use your own boombox step by step from setup to playing music. I'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1, powering the boombox. AC power, connect the built-in AC power cord to a standard wall outlet. Battery power, for portable use, insert 6 C-size batteries into the compartment located at the bottom of the unit. Ensure correct polarity as indicated. Step 2, understanding the control panel. LCD display shows track numbers, radio frequencies and mode indicators. Volume control, adjust the audio output level. Source switch, select between CD, FM radio, Bluetooth, and AUX modes. Play or pause button controls playback of CDs and Bluetooth audio. Stop button stop CD playback. Skip or search buttons navigate track on CD or tuned radio stations. Program button sets custom track sequences for CD playback. Step 3, playing a CD. Ensure the boombox is powered on. Slide the source switch to the CD position. Open the CD door and place a CD inside, label side up. Close the CD door. Press the play or pause button to start playback. Step 4, programming CD tracks. While the CD is stopped, press the program button. 01 will blink on the display. Use the skip or search button to select the desired track. Press the program button to confirm the selection. Repeat step 2 or 3 to program additional tracks up to 20. Press play or pause to begin playback of the programmed sequence. Step 5, use the FM radio. Set the source switch to FM, adjust the tuning dial to find your desired station, extend and position the FM antenna for optimal reception. Step 6, connecting via Bluetooth. Move the source switch to Bluetooth mode PT with flash on the display. On your Bluetooth enabled device, search for available devices and select on CD boom box. Once paired, Bluetooth will stop flashing, indicating a successful connection. Control playback using your device or the boombox's controls. Step 7, using the AUX input. Switch the source to line in, connect a 3.5 mm audio cable not included from your external device to the boombox AUX input. Play audio from your device sound will output through the boombox speaker. Step 8, adjust volume. Rotate the volume knob to increase or decrease the sound level to your preferences. Step 9, general maintenance and safety. Keep the boombox away from water and moisture. Clean with a dry cloth, avoiding use harsh chemicals. Remove batteries if the boombox will not be used for extended periods to prevent leakage. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.